We've got telephones for talking, the sidewalks just for walking, color-coded pills to pop and TV sets for watching. We got chargers just for charging things and hammers just for hammering away. And I've got 14 gigs of pictures of my brothers and my sisters, saved somewhere on a hard drive. Maybe someday I'll get them printed. I got online friends I never met that hit me sometimes once or twice a day. But are we better off now than we were then? Tell me how. Are we better off now than we were then? Tell me how. Tell me how. We've got fancy elevators and silver escalators, cameras in our phones and jobs that make us stay up later, unlimited text messaging and strips to turn one outlet into six. We got billboards for persuading, websites just for dating, sprayers just for spraying things and waiters just for waiting. We got boxes just for boxing things and rental spaces